DJI Mini 3, DJI RC, lightweight and foldable mini camera drone with 4K HDR video, 38-minute flight time, true vertical shooting, and intelligent features, comes in many varieties, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a lot of research, did a lot of reviews, and made a list of the best DJI Mini 3 brands believe in helping you decide. After extensive research, I found that people like you benefit from these products. It's worth it if you're interested in learning more about it and other information. Don't forget to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. DJI Mini 3, DJI RC, lightweight and foldable mini camera drone with 4K HDR video, 38-minute flight time, true vertical shooting, and intelligent features. Brand, DJI. Video capture resolution, 4K HD. Included components, DJI Mini 3 X1, screwdriver X1, DJI RC X1, Type-C to Type-C PD cable X1, intelligent flight battery X1, gimbal protector X1, spare propellers, pair A X1, spare screws X6 DJI Mini 3 X1, screwdriver X1, DJI RC X1, Type-C to Type-C PD cable X1, intelligent flight battery X1, gimbal protector X1, spare propellers, pair X1, spare screws X6. Item weight, 0.64 kilograms. Control type, remote control. Media type, SD. Battery cell composition, lithium-ion. Are batteries included? Yes. Remote control included? Yes. Rechargeable battery included? Yes. Lightweight and compact, Mini 3 weighs under 249 g, perfect for taking with you on your adventures, from hikes, road trips, and beach days. Extended battery life, with up to 38 minutes of battery life. You can take Mini 3 out at every stop along the way or fly long flights without worrying about the battery. Stunning imagery, film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. Capture details in highlights and shadows, both day and night. Capture height, be social. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. And after capturing, it's in the perfect orientation to post to Instagram or TikTok. Focus on the moment, epic shots are at your fingertips. Use quick shots to choose dynamic flight patterns or capture a stunning view with panorama. Flying is a breeze, don't let a little wind get in your way. Mini 3 is resistant to 38 km/h winds, level 5, so you can stay steady and capture your shot. Includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. DJI Mini 3's flight time can be extended up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately and only in select countries, but the aircraft will weigh more than 249 g. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please click the subscribe button, bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the products. Links.